Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the secrets of growing your YouTube channel quickly and effectively. Let's get started. With our first tip, niche down. It's crucial to find a specific area you're passionate about and stick to it by focusing on a niche, like vegan recipes
or quick meals for busy people.
You'll attract a dedicated audience who share your passion. Visuals, examples of niche YouTube channels, host. Moving on to our second tip, quality content. Remember, it's quality over quantity. Invest in good equipment, but don't forget that content is king. Your videos should be informative, entertaining, and well edited, even starting with just your smartphone. Make sure your content stands out from the rest. Visuals, high-quality video snippets. Host. Consistency is key, which brings us to our third tip. Having a consistent posting schedule. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, create a posting schedule and stick to it. This allows your audience to anticipate and look forward to your content. Building loyalty along the way. Visuals, calendar with posting schedule, host. Next up is optimizing your videos for better reach. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to boost your chances of appearing in search results. Eye-catching thumbnails and intriguing titles will also help increase your visibility. A visuals YouTube search bar, keywords, host. Engaging with your audience is our fifth tip. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your channel. The more you interact with your viewers, the more they'll feel connected and loyal. Consider hosting live streams and QA sessions to boost engagement. Visuals, host replying to comments. Live stream, host. Lastly, collaborating with other YouTubers can do wonders for your channel. Networking with creators in your niche not only introduces your channel to a new audience, but also opens up opportunities for growth and learning. The visuals, collaboration videos, host. And there you have it. By focusing on these strategies, you'll be well on your way to growing your YouTube channel quickly and effectively. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and passion, you'll get there. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.